Hi everyone, welcome to English 350. My name is Dr. Otsuji and I'll be your instructor. A lot of my students call me Dr. O because it's hard to pronounce my last name. And looks like my cat is up on her shelf. That's my cat Hoggy. She will be joining us hopefully in many of our classes. So you guys know that the first 3 weeks of the course we will be online. So I just want to go over our class with you, our Blackboard class, because it might be a little bit different. So this is our home page. It looks like that. All the things that you need to do is in what's called units. So our class is organized into units, and units are one major assignment that you'll be turning in. So for example, unit number 1 will be your first essay, and within the units, your class is organized into weeks. Okay, so please make sure you click where it says unit and take a look. It's organized into weeks. Here are all the things I need to turn in for week number 1, week number 2, week number 3. I also have these little icons. That's what you need to turn in. So whenever you see this, that means that is something that you need to turn in. That's for your essay. And whenever you see a mic, that's discussion boards. But before you go into the units, I would like for you guys to go and to start here on unit number 1, or start here on day number 1, and look through this little module that goes over our class. Our class syllabus will be here, but most importantly, I would like for you to read here where it says Ohana means family. Your class will be organized into what's called Ohanas, which is another word for family. And so this is your group that you'll be in for the rest of the semester. Okay, you'll be doing a lot of group work. You'll be helping each other. You'll be doing a group debate. Okay, you'll be doing a lot of research together. So please make sure to take a look where it says Ohana means family and see what your Ohana groups will be like. Now, when you click on Ohana, you should see which group you're in. There's all of them here because I'm the instructor, but when you click on the group number, it will show you your group mates. And this is a site where only your Ohana group mates have access to. So it's kind of like a mini Blackboard just for your group. So you'll see your group mates, okay, and then here are all the tools that you'll be using. You'll be using group discussions, group blog, group journal, okay, and then you can send emails to each other. And again, so this is a site where only your Ohana group mates can go into. Okay, so it's a great place to collaborate. If you post a discussion board question, only your group mates have access to that. So please, again, just play around with our site because it might be a little bit different than what you see because I like to organize my class into units. So click on units, okay, click on the folders with the weeks, okay, and you might want to even start your week number 1 assignment of the political typology. Okay, so read through it and you might want to even get started on it. Okay, because your first unit, it is pretty jam-packed. There's a lot to do in your first unit. Okay, because there's a lot of things to cover. Okay. So again, go through your websites and click on Ohana, get to know each other. Okay, post something on the discussion board so that you guys can meet with each other. And I will see you next Monday.